Hello, I'm in a 2014 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how you would change your language for your display between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this is, and then make sure your interface here is turned on, which you can do here. And then from here we'll go to Setup, and then for System, we'll hit 4, and then we'll scroll down until we see Language, and then set Enter. And there's English, French, or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish, we'll select that. And then it'll take just a moment to update everything to Spanish. And I speak English, so I'll change everything back to English in just a moment. So again, Setup, and then the Sistema 4, and then I'll scroll down to Idioma, select, and then back to English, select again. And then again, you'll just wait for a moment for it to reset everything to English. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.